Hey, what's up everybody? This is Olawa Mobile WizTech and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing for the Z Fold 3. All right, and I'll be jumping right in right after this. Now, before I jump in, if you end up finding that this content is interesting or helpful, please give this video a like by mashing that thumbs up button. Also, if you want to receive continuous content like this, please consider subscribing to my channel by hitting that subscribe and that notification bell button. That way you can always stay informed whenever I post new content on my channel. Now, I gotta tell you, if you do order this, when you receive the package and you feel the weight of this, it already feels premium. So with that stated, let's go ahead and get this bad boy open. All right, slide this off. There we go. Put that down there. As you can see, it's nothing else in here. In here you have, of course, which I'm sure you already seen, guide and this information here, and USB-C to C. All right, and of course there's no plug. But now if you desire to have a 25-watt fast charging plug, you can easily get them on Amazon. They run about 10 bucks, but I have so many of them, it doesn't really matter. Put this over here. And again, this feels really nice. As you can see, I have the Phantom Black. Now, of course, there are two other colors you can get. You can get the Phantom Silver, or you can get the Phantom Green. All right. So let's go ahead and take a closer look. Of course, you have your power/fingerprint button there, your volume rocker, the 3 cameras. All right. You have your external camera, front-facing camera for selfies. And you have your internal camera here that's hidden under the screen. All right. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy powered up. So I went ahead and set mine up for the time's sake of the video. All right, turn this on. And as you can see here, this is the wallpaper I have for now. Probably would change it, but just for the quick setup. All right, fold it. You can see my always display screen and my lock screen. I want to see how fluid this fingerprint reader is. So if I were to just pick the phone up and put my finger here, it unlocks right away. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. And then of course, on this side here, unlocks right away. Pretty awesome. If I close it, if you want to go back to 60 Hertz, you can always go to standard. But for me, I'm going to leave it here. All right. And let's see. Now there's still a lot of things I need to do for my Z Fold 3. I just wanted to get things set up really quick for this video. But what I want to do, which was a dying question, is to see how this is going to look installed on the Z Fold 3. So let's go ahead and get that taken care of. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and get that first part set up in there, and it's all ready to go. And it's not as bulky as I thought it was going to be. You know, take a look at that. All right, it's not super bulky. Nice and simple. Now you have the S Pen with you with this case. This does stay free. All right, so if you're in a car, you may have to turn it this way or just let it hang if you want to. But chances are you're probably gonna have a pair of earbuds or possibly Bluetooth or whatnot, maybe in the car. But just note that this does hang freely. All right. Now, open this up. Let's go ahead and remove this. Comes right off. Open this up. Now, the big question is, will this lay flat? As you can see, it lays pretty flat with the case on it. All right. Again, this is removed. And if you wanted to take notes, I'm gonna open up notes. Choose a color for my pen, my ink, I should say. Let's choose yellow. And not an issue at all. I'm writing on here. There's no wobbling back and forth or anything, as you can see. So if you were here just taking notes, I don't know, in class or in a meeting, you don't have to hold it steady to write. You can just write and treat it like it's paper or in a notebook, as you can see. So pretty cool. I'm truly digging that. All right, and again, let's get out of here. Again, not too thick. You can see how the camera is positioned in here. All right. So all in all, nice and easy to hold with this flip cover case. I won't say it's perfect. I am looking forward to them or some third-party companies to bring out some more cases that are more protective, all right, and still allows you to carry the S Pen around. Looking forward to that, but this will be nice in the office or maybe in class, in an area where it's not a rugged or heavy-duty environment. If you're in a rugged or heavy-duty environment, I don't recommend carrying this because if it drops face forward, just like this, it's gonna be a sad day for you, all right? Again, there's no protection here. It's just wide and open. No protection at all, all right? So, all in all, I'm definitely looking forward to testing out this case and this Z Fold 3. Pretty excited about it. And feel like a kid again, as always. I'm a big kid when it comes to tech. And if you're interested in the Fold, you can definitely get it from one of the 3 carriers or go right to Samsung's site. I think this is the last day to do a pre-order if you want to take advantage of that $200 credit, instant credit that they're offering. So you may want to jump on that pretty quick if you're interested in that. All right. Now, you can see how this looks really quick. I forgot to mention that with the pen holder attached to it. So it's not nearly flat. But let's see, can this act as a kickstand? Somebody asked me that as well. And the answer to that is absolutely not. There's nothing here that's gonna keep it in place. All right, you can probably keep it like this if you wanna have a little angle. That may work. All right, so that completes my quick unboxing for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. I thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing. Also, share it out and comment below. Until next time, keep it mobile.